JR, this Chandler Simpson. Keep doing your thing on the MLB Bro mixtape.
Hey JR, it's Taj Bradley. I want to say I appreciate you for the landscape that you put out for us to put our content out, put our words out, put our voice out. And I appreciate you, man. And keep doing your thing with the MLB Bros podcast.
It's playoff time, no layup time. The bros are back like a layup line, but we do damage in the diamond mine. Highlighting the bros that might be hard to find. Will Benson, Bo Naylor shine, much lesser known than number 99. Jazz Chisholm elevates refine, wild and untamed for today's game. The big dogs like Mookie are in their championship zone. It's boom or bust, George Springer's back home. So many bros are the heart and soul. Bo Naylor cat soul, like Hendrix rock and roll. Like Nas shoot the gift, like Tyson shoot the fifth. Josh Nettle launching homers in the first and fifth. It's ridiculous. Trey Grisham just hit another ball for days. Chase Burns, 100 Green leading red wave. Aaron Judge is Stanton, Bass Brothers magic. They didn't win the game, but the bros will cherish every 100 Green inning. Shout out to Dr. Sticks. If it never went down, Cleveland's in that playoff mix. My heart goes out to the baseball blacks. We dedicate our lives to relaying the facts. Introducing a generation of bro bombers, showstoppers, a bunch of Obamas who be in cages. And we come in different flavors. 2025 postseason, the bros are major. Next year will Cedric Mullins be real in Citi Field? Will Magic Johnson do it again? Will Dave Roberts do it again? Will Jason Crawford make the Mariners shooters again? Maybe. The Buddha's my friend and Devin Williams is the quiet assassin. Who's back? Mookie Betts, cause the Dodgers are zoomed in. Jemiah Jones make Tigers fun, even when they're losing. The 162 game season is the postseason where the stars become legend and bros get cats fever. It's playoff time, no layup line. The bros are back. It's playoff time, no layup line. The bros are back like a layup line. It's playoff time, no layup time. The bros are back like a layup line. We do damage in a diamond mine, highlighting the bros that might be hard to find. It's the race to November. You'll remember like a rifle in your face. See you when the pen bros on the base. It's the race to November. It's playoff time, no layup time. The bros are back like a layup line. But we do damage in a diamond mine, highlighting the bros that might be hard to find. It's the race to November. You'll remember like a rifle in your face. See you when the pen bros on the base. In the place. The sound of black baseball, baby. MLB Bro Show, podcast, the mixtape. KRP, RP, Devon Cook, Justin Petrilli. Everybody made this go. Young Crit, First Lady, MLB Bro Rachel. Thanks to everybody who made the MLB Bro Show podcast, the #1 baseball podcast in the world this year. iHeart, Apple Podcasts,